IPOB Worldwide Limited in the UK. You can check with the UK Companies House with company number 13127887. A private business.
No.
The better stop you from taking it to the court. He is running from the regulators in the UK. That is the information you don't know. He is running from the regulators in the UK.
My brother.
Yeah.
The UK regulates its companies. You can also report that to the UK government. There's a company house in UK.
We've reported it and he ran away. He absconded. That's why I'm calling him Muslim.
No. The UK did not say he ran away from the UK.
I'm telling you,
there's nothing in their record.
Oh, my brother, ask Uchemefuo, please. Journalists, do your job. Journalists, do your job. Go to your own investigation.
What I'm saying is that there's no point putting anybody on the spot on Facebook. Let them bring the evidence to court.
As a private business.
As simple as that.
Can I give it to you? Let me give it to you.
And he has been able to get people following him in the sense his private business.
He's a thief. He has been able to get people. Are you an Igbo man? Then leave this guy.
That's why he's that's why he's
and do you know what they told them? No, you that want to.
I don't give a damn.
Come on, go sit down.
Don't insult anybody, it's not necessary. I know him now.
No one is stopping anybody from it because you know him. Let me correct something. Don't make it as if people are against what we are against is killing of Igbo people who don't buy into his ideology, burning of police stations, attacking military men.
So do you have any that
Let them bring the truth to court.
Should I give you their victims? Should I give you? Go there now, they cut them. They cut them.
Give him man.
Yes.
condemn killing of people in other parts of the world?
Of course. Of course. Of course. Wait, now I should not fight them or what? No, I should fight them now or what will be the people that have been killing soldiers? What were they doing?
Dịka ọ bụ ndị mmadụ na-agwọ ọnụ ala ụka ọ bụ
or you can register as a witness to the federal government. This one is a platform.
BBC.
Okay.